Okay guys, we're going to go back to number for a bit because I need to teach standard form. By the end of this video, you should understand how to write a number in standard form and how to convert a big number from standard form to just normal. So let's look at this first example. Put the number 4, I don't even know what that is, in standard form. So what standard form is it's basically a certain number, so x. No, I'm not going to use x. I'm going to use a. It's just going to be a times 10 to the power of b. And it's just a nice way of writing it rather than writing out all of this. But there are some rules that we have to make. First things first is a is between 1 and 10. And b has to be an integer. That's it. So now let's look at what we have here. To give a basic example, all we need to do is just count the zeros after 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this is 4 trillion. So therefore, 4 trillion is the same as 4 times 10 to the power of 12. Because we got 4, which is between 1 and 10. You got 12, which is however many zeros we have, and it's an integer. But what about if it's something like this? Put the number 2... what is that? 2,450,000 in standard form. Well, all we're going to do is, once again, after 2, we need to count the zeros. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be times 10 to the 6, right? However, it's not going to be 2 times 10 to the 6 because we have the 4 and 5 here. But what we can do is we can make this a decimal. And what I mean by this is we leave it as 2.45 times 10 to the 6. Because think about it. This is between 1 and 10. And we still need the 2 zeros to make this a whole number. So we can count it as one of our zeros, so to speak. But what about something like this? Well, this time we'll have to work in reverse. Write 6 times 10 to the 9 as a normal number. Well, all we're going to do is we just need to add 9 zeros at the end. So it's 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. So that's 6 times 10 to the power of 9. Okay? And it's the exact same thing when we have a decimal. So all it is we have to add 5 zeros at the end. Okay? So it's 4.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, which is what we have here. So therefore, this is 4.5 times 10 to the power of 5. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video made sense. If you guys liked it, subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. If you guys have any other exam questions you're struggling with, join my Discord server and send them there right away. If you guys want to pass your exams with flying colours and make your parents proud, drop me an email and we can organise a meeting and a quote to get tutored. Keep on learning, as you have no idea what you're capable of doing.